guys, welcome to this week's video. It's Emma and we will be making some delicious chicken. Also, we will have a special guest today. Let's get cooking. For this week's recipe, you will need eggs, oil, coconut flour, pepper, sea salt, a hammer to pound your chicken, Parmesan cheese, cling wrap, a measuring cup, and a cutting board. But I mean, we're making chicken, so of course you're gonna need your chicken. The cling wrap will be used to prevent the chicken from flying everywhere when you pound it with a hammer. So first, we're gonna coat it in some coconut flour. Now we're gonna coat it in egg. Now we're gonna put it in this, which is a mixture of Parmesan cheese, coconut flour, and salt and pepper. Because salt and pepper goes with everything. We're gonna cook the chicken at 375 degrees until it's golden brown. Oh, you noticed our new oven? The chicken is ready. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. It's delicious. And now for our guest, my sister.
Hi everyone. I taught Emma how to make this chicken. We first had it a couple months ago and we just made it again tonight, obviously. And now I'm gonna take a bite of Emma's rendition of this chicken. It's delicious. Got the giggles. Oh my.
So, you've reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to give a big thank you to my sister, Kristen. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss a video. Bye!